If you are a small business that has been making and selling 3D printed parts on eBay, Etsy, Amazon, wherever it may be, you probably started out with a few small printers yourself, but where's that kind of transition point of when you should probably translate to a service who can produce the parts on demand and fulfill them for you so that you don't have to deal with that anymore and you can focus on the design and development of new products? And the answer is basically as soon as you possibly can. Try to price your products at a level to where you can afford the services. Services are very affordable anymore, so that shouldn't be a big problem. And if you can't pay for it by using a service, then you need to evaluate your pricing model. But just as soon as you can, because operating your own 3D printer farm is labor intensive and you don't have the resources to do it very efficiently. You're going to be using off-the-shelf machines that print one part at a time. Your printing settings might not be ideal, and there's so many things, basically a whole separate project in building and maintaining a printer farm that you don't need when you're trying to build and grow a business around the products that you have. So as soon as you can get away from having your own printer farm, I highly recommend that you do, because services just give you a lot more freedom and they have a lot more consistency and a lot more scale so that you can grow your business and not have to worry about growing all the infrastructure behind it because it's already in place.